To watch a movie. You know, I know right now it doesn't seem like you need that big fluffy coat or that big old blanket, but this afternoon,
stay inside.
You're going to want to stay inside, cuddle
up.
There's no need to cancel plans, though. If you do have plans, maybe you've got a lunch plans with one of your girlfriends, you're still good. It's just going to be a little icky and cold out. Right now, we're coming in 56. Our winds are out of our south right at 9 miles per hour. And here is the main event. This is our Arctic blast. This cold front's going to push into our direction. Of course, right now, we've got cloud cover consuming the entire state, practically the entire East Coast for that matter. We do have some heavier bands around Goochland. You're getting some much needed rain. Also seeing that in Bowling Green, Port Royal, and that's going to continue to move its way closer into Tappahannock as we go throughout the next little bit. Now, rain is not going to always be on the radar. There's also going to be that chance for some wintry mix followed up by snow. But it's all about the temperatures. Right now, obviously, it's warm out there. We've got the 50s and winds are out of our south, but the winds will shift out of our north as our cold front approaches. That cold Arctic air is going to filter in. So even around that 8 o'clock hour, I look for temperatures to start to fall into those 40s, low 50s. As you go into that 9 o'clock hour, very similar, and that transition is going to begin to take place around lunchtime. That's when temperatures will drop into the 30s, and you're going to notice more wintry mix followed up with wet snow. Now, as far as all of this making a snowman, not so much. Whatever falls on the ground is going to melt on impact. Our surface temperature is very warm. Think about it. Yesterday, we got all the way up to 70 degrees. Now, some of this will stick to elevated surfaces like your back patio. If you've got a table out there, it gets colder because there's cold air on top of it and below it, so it chills it down quite quickly. So you could see a little accumulation there or even on the top of your house or grass, but this is not going to be a big snow event. The big deal are these temperatures that are dropping so rapidly. By 2 o'clock, we're in the low 30s, but with our winds gusting at 30 miles an hour, it's going to feel like we're in the 20s. So definite frigid air is going to be in place. It will be pretty and it's going to be wet and very cold at that. All this will exit off the coast by around 5 o'clock. So think about it as sunset. Everything moves out. Winds will begin to decrease slowly. By around 7 o'clock, I look for winds to be around 5 to 10 miles per hour, which will be a great improvement from the breezy conditions we had earlier on. Overnight tonight, temperatures are dropping into the 20s. Tomorrow, it's going to be sunny, but it's going to be cold. We're only going to top out around 39. We've already hit our high temperature today. Numbers will decrease throughout the next several hours. Going into 7, 8, 9, they're still going to be in those 40s, low 50s. Lunchtime is when things really ramp up because that system pushes on through. We'll be in the 30s, feeling like the 20s. And that's when we will have some wet snow taking place. Tomorrow is dry, 24 degrees when you wake up, 39 by the afternoon. Thursday, we practically doubled, 23 when you wake up, 50 going into your afternoon hours. Slim chance of showers Friday right along the coast. Rob, Reba.
Ooh, all right.